All right, day 2. We are looking at getting everything, we started moving the plywood, and we're going to try and get all the flooring down today and the back wall back there up. So stick with us. Hey guys, we have got the floors all done. It looks really good. I'm very pleased with the way things have turned out. Got my drafting table up here, and we got the plans out. Got one of the workstations. We've got all our wood separated, and we are looking at right now plans here, and it's calling for the 2x4 pressure treated lumber on the bottom sill for the back wall, because we're going to start the back wall first, and then we're gonna build from there. And I'm not finding on the pile of wood over there the 2x4 bottom pressure treated trim plate or tie plate. And so Body Helper has gone inside to look at the price list to see if they didn't deliver it like they were supposed to, or if they gave us, we got a bunch of 2x6s over there that would probably do the job, but I want to make sure that we get it right, because they didn't send the joist hangers for the joists, and we ended up using the roofing ties to do the joists. Now, we didn't realize that until over halfway through the floor build, that they didn't send the correct stuff. So we went ahead and used the roofing ties. We'll just buy new roofing ties. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, oh, you can't use the roofing ties. I towed everything in so that it's secure. We just don't have the big U clamps that, you know, bolt into the main beam and hold the joist up. So it's an old way of hammering in your joist to the main beam. So, like I said, this isn't necessarily a DIY as it is just a, you know, well, it is a DIY because we are doing it ourselves. And this is just documentation of our journey, and we're bringing you along for the ride. So, continue to watch and we'll keep on going. We're done for the day, and it looks we've gotten 2 walls up and the floor done, and I think that's pretty good for today. So we're going to call it quits, and the next time we get to build, we'll put in the we'll do the doors and the garage door, which the garage door will go here, and I'll put the door back there in that corner, back over here where the sawhorses are, and that will complete the box. And we're still waiting for the trusses to get here, so other than that, you know, we'll let me get you guys a little bit more level. How's that? There we go. Nah, it looks better. And as you can see, we've got got the siding, got the roofing. We don't have the trusses yet, and we don't have the truss ties because we use those for the joists, as I mentioned earlier. So y'all take care. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.